expensive gym membership, expensive food supplement, expensive diet. People talk about it, but nobody talks about those mistakes which are being done by mothers because they are free and nobody promotes free things. But today we are going to talk about those 5 mistakes which are being done mostly by mothers, and because of that they cannot lose weight, or sometimes they do lose weight up to a certain level but they are not able to maintain a healthy body weight. Before going further, I would like to tell something about myself. My name is Kaushik Datta. I am a father of a strong son, husband of a beautiful woman, a fitness enthusiast and fitness freak, a marine engineer turned into a lifestyle and mindset coach. Specialized in weight loss, I help mothers to get them back into shape. I help them to have a pill-free life. So now let's start with our topic. The first reason is saying bye to your favorite food. Never do that. Don't restrict yourself to a strict diet. Yes, we will do everything in moderation, in a limited manner. Why you don't have to say bye to your favorite food? Because when you start getting into a restrictive diet, you are pushing your body to that restrictive zone. And when your body gets into that zone, you cannot lose fat. Because your body should be in a relaxed mode. Instead of that, you need to understand how to have that favorite food and when to have, in which kind of process you should apply to have that food. Like as an example, ice cream. You should not have ice cream with any one of your meal, like a main meal. It should not be added with your lunch or dinner, because what happens when you have your ice cream with your lunch or dinner, you are spiking up that insulin in your body. That glucose level in your body is going further up, because that is the only reason we do a sugar test pre and post. You will see the difference between, because once you have your food, the glucose level in our blood, it will go up. So when you are having ice cream together with your food, that level will be elevated furthermore. So this is some small tricks what you can do to enjoy your favorite food, and in spite of doing that, you won't gain that much of weight. The second point is distracted morning. Now you might be surprised, what is the relation between weight loss and distracted morning? It is there. See what happens when you start your day with just simply scrolling your mobile screen. That dopamine secretions become very high just at the early stage of morning, which is not required that time. And when you are done with your mobile screening and everything, and when you want to start your work and all, at the time you are already tired, mentally tired. You don't feel to do any exercise, you don't feel to do anything which is really essential for your health. Even the same thing, it was happening for me, because I was so concerned about my clients. I started replying them very earlier in the morning, but I have stopped it. Because yes, they really need me, but the second part of my day I can use that. I can use that time to reply all of their messages. But the first part, I'm just keeping it for me to be more productive, to be more creative. That's how I am doing right now. The third one is not finding the root cause. See, working out and going on a restrictive diet, it is not the solution for weight loss every time. You need to find the root cause. Even some doctors, they are prescribing to go for a TSH test. But to find out whether you have a hypothyroid or Hashimoto and what kind of thyroid you have, you need to go into that detailed test. TSH, T3, T4, antibody thyroid test. You need to find the detailed things. Whether you are lacking sleep, whether you are not having enough water, whether you are having that vitamin D deficiency, what is the root cause of your weight gain? So you need to mind that. The fourth reason is decision making fatigue. You must have seen there will be some people when you ask them about anything, about choosing some place or going to some event, and they will just revert you that, yeah, you just figure it out. I don't want to get indulged with all those things, because they have reached up to that position of their mind that they don't want to take decisions anymore. That is called decision making fatigue, and it happens if you don't plan your day in advance. Believe me, if you can plan your day just the night before, you can have a smoother day. What to eat, what to wear, where to go, what to buy, and all those things, if you can figure out just what you are going to do, you can plan it in the evening time just the day before, you will have a very nice day. And that once you start doing all those things, you will find easily for your health, your mind, your soul, for everything. Then last reason is not enjoying the journey or the process. That is very important. Don't focus on your goal that I have to reach to that weight loss anyhow, just by using some fat burner, just by using some restrictive diet, just by punishing myself. Don't do that. Enjoy the process. Whatever you follow, whatever you do, you should enjoy the process and forget about that result. You will get it anyhow, because the system should be designed in such a way that it will track your result. So focus on the journey and get into those kind of journey what you can really enjoy. If you love dancing, get into that process where you need to dance. So get into those kind of process where you really enjoy the journey. That matters. It's not about the result, what you want to achieve. The thing is that journey, that process. So those are the 5 reasons. I can one more time I can tell you. The first reason is saying bye to your favorite food. Never do that. Do it in moderation and in a calculative way. The second one is distracted morning. Your morning should be focused with your goal, with your outcome, and of course you're health oriented. That's what you need, that me time before you start your day. The third one is not finding the root cause. You need to find the root cause of your weight gain. The fourth one is decision making fatigue. You should plan your day well in advance. The fifth one is not enjoying the journey or process. You need to enjoy the process and journey. So that's it, and this is your action time. If you're a mother and you are struggling with your weight loss, I'll just put the link below where you can join my group. That is a VIP Facebook group, and as well as there is a WhatsApp group where you can join and be the part of our community, and you will see the change, because community matters. Yes. And if you like my video, please like and subscribe my video to find the same kind of videos. And if you feel that it has added some value in your life, please subscribe. Till then, see you. Bye bye. Take care.